Welcome to the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. Imagine a world where everyday objects are connected to the Internet, sharing data and working together to make our lives easier. From smart thermostats that learn your schedule to wearable fitness trackers that monitor your health, IoT is transforming the way we interact with technology. In this video, we'll explore what IoT really means, how it works, and why it's becoming such a vital part of our daily lives. Let's start by understanding the basics of IoT and how it connects the physical and digital worlds. Its core, IoT is about connecting devices to the Internet so they can communicate with each other and with us. These devices, often called smart devices, use sensors to collect data which is then sent to the cloud for processing. For example, a smart refrigerator can track what's inside and remind you when you're running low on milk. The magic happens when these devices share information, automate tasks, and respond to our needs in real time. This seamless integration is what makes IoT so powerful and promising for the future. The idea of connecting objects to the Internet isn't new. It dates back to the early 1980s when engineers at Carnegie Mellon University connected a Coke machine to the Internet to check if drinks were cold. Since then, technology has evolved rapidly. The term Internet of Things was first coined in 1999, and since then the number of connected devices has exploded. Today, billions of devices around the world are part of the IoT ecosystem, shaping industries and daily life in ways we never imagined. IoT systems are made up of several key components. First, there are the devices themselves, equipped with sensors and actuators. Next, connectivity allows these devices to send and receive data, often through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks. The data is then processed in the cloud, where powerful algorithms analyze it and trigger actions. Finally, user interfaces let people interact with the system, whether it's through a smartphone app or a web dashboard. Each component plays a crucial role in making IoT work smoothly. Sensors are the eyes and ears of IoT devices. They collect information from the environment, such as temperature, humidity, motion, or light. Actuators, on the other hand, are the hands. They take action based on the data received. For example, a sensor might detect that a room is too warm, and an actuator could then turn on the air conditioning. This combination of sensing and acting is what enables IoT devices to respond intelligently to changing conditions. Connectivity is the backbone of IoT. Without reliable connections, devices can't share data or work together. IoT devices use various communication methods, including Wi-Fi for home networks, Bluetooth for short-range connections, and cellular networks for wide-area coverage. Some devices even use specialized protocols like Zigbee or LoRa for low-power, long-range communication. Choosing the right connectivity option depends on the application and environment, ensuring seamless data flow between devices and the cloud. Cloud is where much of the IoT magic happens. Once devices collect data, it's sent to the cloud for storage and analysis. Powerful servers process this information, running algorithms that can detect patterns, predict trends, and trigger automated actions. The cloud also enables remote access, so you can control your smart home from anywhere in the world. By leveraging the cloud, IoT systems become more intelligent, scalable, and flexible, opening up endless possibilities for innovation. User interfaces are how we interact with IoT systems. Whether it's a smartphone app, a web dashboard, or even voice commands, these interfaces make it easy to monitor and control connected devices. A well-designed interface provides real-time updates, alerts, and customization options, putting the power of IoT at your fingertips. As IoT continues to evolve, user interfaces are becoming more intuitive and accessible, making smart technology available to everyone. One of the most popular applications of IoT is in smart homes. Imagine lights that turn on automatically when you enter a room, thermostats that adjust to your preferences, and security cameras you can monitor from your phone. Smart home devices work together to create a comfortable, efficient, and secure living environment. As more devices become connected, the possibilities for automation and convenience continue to grow, making everyday life simpler and more enjoyable. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches are another exciting area of IoT. These gadgets monitor your activity, track your health, and even alert you to important notifications. By collecting and analyzing data about your daily habits, wearables can help you make healthier choices and stay connected on the go. As technology advances, wearables are becoming more sophisticated, offering new features and greater integration with other smart devices. IoT is also transforming cities, making them smarter and more efficient. Smart traffic lights adjust to real-time conditions, waste bins signal when they need emptying, and environmental sensors monitor air quality. These innovations help cities save energy, reduce pollution, and improve public services. By connecting infrastructure and services, IoT is paving the way for urban environments that are safer, cleaner, and more responsive to the needs of their residents. The industrial sector, IoT is revolutionizing manufacturing, logistics, and maintenance. Connected machines can monitor their own performance, predict when maintenance is needed, and even order replacement parts automatically. This reduces downtime, increases efficiency, and lowers costs. Industrial IoT, often called IIoT, is driving the next wave of automation and digital transformation in factories and supply chains around the world. IoT is making a big impact in healthcare too. Connected medical devices can monitor patients' vital signs, track medication usage, and alert doctors to potential problems. Remote monitoring allows patients to receive care at home, improving comfort and reducing hospital visits. By providing real-time data and insights, IoT is helping healthcare professionals deliver better, more personalized care to their patients. Farmers are using IoT to boost productivity and sustainability. Smart sensors monitor soil moisture, weather conditions, and crop health, enabling precise irrigation and fertilization. Livestock can be tracked with connected collars, ensuring their safety and well-being. By harnessing the power of data, IoT is helping agriculture become more efficient, environmentally friendly, and resilient to changing conditions. IoT is streamlining transportation and logistics by enabling real-time tracking of vehicles, shipments, and inventory. Fleet managers can monitor routes, optimize delivery schedules, and respond quickly to delays. Sensors in vehicles track performance and maintenance needs, reducing breakdowns and improving safety. With IoT, the entire supply chain becomes more transparent, efficient, and responsive to customer demands. Retailers are using IoT to enhance the shopping experience. Smart shelves track inventory in real time, while beacons send personalized offers to shoppers' smartphones. Connected checkout systems speed up transactions and reduce wait times. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, retailers can tailor their services and create more engaging, convenient shopping environments. IoT is helping us use energy more efficiently. Smart meters track electricity usage, while connected thermostats and lighting systems adjust automatically to save power. Utilities can monitor the grid in real time, quickly identifying and resolving issues. By optimizing energy consumption, IoT is reducing costs and supporting the transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. Environmental sensors connected through IoT are helping us better understand and protect our planet. These devices monitor air and water quality, track weather patterns, and detect natural disasters like floods or wildfires. By providing real-time data, IoT enables faster responses to environmental threats and supports efforts to preserve natural resources for future generations. Smart grids use IoT to modernize the way electricity is distributed and managed. Sensors and smart meters collect data on energy usage, helping utilities balance supply and demand. Automated systems can reroute power during outages and integrate renewable energy sources more effectively. With IoT, smart grids are making our energy infrastructure more reliable, efficient, and sustainable. Cars are becoming smarter thanks to IoT-connected vehicles can communicate with each other, traffic signals, and even the road itself. Features like real-time navigation, remote diagnostics, and automatic emergency calls are making driving safer and more convenient. As autonomous vehicles become more common, IoT will play a crucial role in enabling them to operate safely and efficiently. IoT-powered security systems are protecting homes, businesses, and public spaces. Smart cameras, motion sensors, and alarms can be monitored and controlled remotely, providing real-time alerts and video feeds. Advanced systems use artificial intelligence to detect unusual activity and respond automatically. With IoT, security is becoming more proactive, reliable, and user-friendly. Despite its many benefits, IoT also presents challenges. Security and privacy are major concerns as more devices mean more potential entry points for hackers. Managing vast amounts of data requires robust infrastructure and careful planning. Interoperability, making sure different devices and systems work together, is another hurdle. Addressing these challenges is essential for building a safe and reliable IoT ecosystem. So many devices connected, IoT security is a top priority. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities to access sensitive data or take control of devices. Strong encryption, regular software updates, and secure authentication are critical for protecting IoT systems. As the number of connected devices grows, staying ahead of security threats will require constant vigilance and innovation. IoT devices collect vast amounts of personal data, raising important privacy questions. Who owns this data and how is it used? Protecting user privacy means being transparent about data collection, giving users control over their information, and complying with regulations. As IoT becomes more integrated into our lives, balancing innovation with privacy will be a key challenge for developers and policymakers. Managing the massive amounts of data generated by IoT devices is no small feat. Data must be stored securely, processed efficiently, and analyzed for insights. Cloud computing and edge computing are two approaches that help manage this data. By processing data closer to where it's generated, edge computing reduces latency and bandwidth needs. Effective data management is essential for unlocking the full potential of IoT. For IoT to reach its full potential, devices from different manufacturers must work together seamlessly. This is known as interoperability. Industry standards and open protocols are helping to break down barriers, but challenges remain. Ensuring compatibility and smooth communication between devices is key to building a truly connected world. As IoT networks grow, scalability becomes a concern. Systems must be able to handle increasing numbers of devices and larger volumes of data without slowing down or becoming unreliable. Scalable architectures, cloud solutions, and efficient network management are essential for supporting the continued expansion of IoT. Many IoT devices run on batteries, making power efficiency crucial. Designers are developing low-power sensors and communication protocols to extend battery life. Energy harvesting technologies like solar panels are also being explored. By minimizing power consumption, IoT devices can operate longer and more reliably, even in remote locations. Edge computing is a game changer for IoT. Instead of sending all data to the cloud, some processing happens locally, right at the edge of the network. This reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and enables faster responses. Edge computing is especially important for applications that require real-time decision-making, like autonomous vehicles or industrial automation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making IoT systems smarter. By analyzing data from connected devices, AI can identify patterns, predict outcomes, and automate complex tasks. For example, AI-powered security cameras can recognize faces or detect unusual behavior. As AI and IoT continue to converge, we'll see even more intelligent, adaptive systems in our homes, cities, and workplaces. Rollout of 5G networks is accelerating the growth of IoT with faster speeds, lower latency, and greater capacity. 5G enables more devices to connect and communicate in real time. This opens up new possibilities for smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and industrial automation. As 5G becomes more widespread, the IoT ecosystem will continue to expand and evolve. IoT platforms provide the tools and infrastructure needed to build, manage, and scale IoT solutions. These platforms offer device management, data analytics, security features, and integration with other systems. By simplifying development and deployment, IoT platforms are helping businesses and developers bring innovative solutions to market faster. Standards are essential for ensuring that IoT devices and systems can work together. Organizations like the IEEE and the Internet Engineering Task Force are developing protocols and guidelines for interoperability, security, and data exchange. By following common standards, manufacturers and developers can create more reliable, compatible, and secure IoT solutions. IoT generates massive amounts of data, often referred to as big data. Analyzing this data can reveal valuable insights, from predicting equipment failures to understanding consumer behavior. Big data analytics tools help organizations make sense of the information collected by IoT devices, driving smarter decisions and new opportunities for innovation. IoT is making its way into classrooms, enhancing learning experiences and improving school operations. Smart boards, connected projectors, and attendance systems streamline teaching and administration. Environmental sensors monitor classroom conditions, ensuring a comfortable and healthy learning environment. By integrating IoT, schools can offer more engaging, efficient, and safe educational experiences. Entertainment industry is embracing IoT to create more interactive and personalized experiences. Smart TVs, connected speakers, and streaming devices adapt to your preferences and habits. IoT also powers immersive experiences in gaming and virtual reality, making entertainment more engaging and dynamic than ever before. Hotels and resorts are using IoT to enhance guest experiences. Smart room controls let guests adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a touch or voice command. Connected systems streamline check-in, housekeeping, and maintenance, making operations more efficient. IoT is helping the hospitality industry deliver more personalized, comfortable, and memorable stays. Financial institutions are leveraging IoT to improve security, streamline transactions, and enhance customer service. Connected ATMs, smart payment terminals, and wearable payment devices make banking more convenient and secure. IoT also helps detect fraud and monitor financial assets in real time, supporting safer and more efficient financial operations. Blockchain technology is being integrated with IoT to enhance security, transparency, and trust. By recording transactions and device interactions on a secure, decentralized ledger, blockchain helps prevent tampering and fraud. This combination is especially valuable in supply chain management, where tracking the origin and movement of goods is critical. IoT is playing a key role in promoting sustainability. Smart systems optimize resource use, reduce waste, and support renewable energy integration. From monitoring air quality to managing water usage, IoT solutions are helping communities and businesses minimize their environmental impact and build a more sustainable future. Future of IoT is full of exciting possibilities. We can expect even more devices to become connected, smarter AI integration, and greater automation in every aspect of life. Advances in connectivity, security, and data analytics will drive new innovations. As IoT continues to evolve, it will shape the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. IoT is becoming an invisible but essential part of our daily routines. From the moment you wake up to a smart alarm clock to the time you lock your doors remotely at night, connected devices are working behind the scenes to make life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. As technology advances, IoT will continue to blend seamlessly into our everyday experiences. By connecting people, devices, and systems, IoT is helping to build a smarter, more responsive world. Whether it's improving healthcare, making cities more livable, or helping businesses operate more efficiently, the impact of IoT is far-reaching. As we embrace this technology, we're creating new opportunities for innovation and progress. If you're interested in exploring IoT, there are many ways to get started. Try setting up a smart home device, experimenting with wearable technology, or learning about IoT platforms and development tools. As you become more familiar with the possibilities, you'll discover new ways to use connected technology to improve your life and work. Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and connect with the world. By bringing intelligence and connectivity to everyday objects, IoT is opening up new possibilities for innovation, efficiency, and convenience. As we move forward, embracing IoT will help us build a smarter, safer, and more sustainable future for everyone.